friends, I'm Mishika and today we will learn class and objects in Python. So let's start. Class and object are a part of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming are also called as OOP. Now in OOP, we try to solve our problems by objects. Now first let's learn what is class and objects. So class is a blueprint or a design. Now class has attributes and behavior. Now what is attributes? Take an example of student. Now student has a name, like I have a name as Rahul. Now student has an age, like age of 10. Division, like F. So this name, age, division are the student's attributes. Now behavior. Now we call functions as methods in behavior. Simple, right? Now what is object? Now object is an instance of class. So now in today's video we are gonna make a program of enroll of a student enroll event, in which if the student's age is bigger or equals to 10, then it will enroll, or else it will not enroll. So let's make it. First you have to open your Python. Now open a file. For opening a file, click on File menu and click on New File. See? Now let's start to make our program. First we will write class. Now class has a name. Everyone knows class has a name. So I will keep a name as student. Okay, so here my class name is student. Colon, we put colon. Then we have name. Okay, so we will put name empty and we have age. So name, age are the attributes and the age we will put at 0. Okay, then we put, now this is our attributes. Now let's see behavior. Now behavior we have function, so def is a function. Now after we put the def, we will put double underscore init, then init. Now what is init? Init is a built-in function. Okay, init is just a function that is just there in the Python. Okay, just keep in mind that init is a built-in function. Then after init we again put twice underscore. Okay, oops. Now we put brackets. Now in brackets we put self. Now what is self? Now we call a student as a self. Simple. Now we put underscore name, comma, underscore age. Okay. Now the things that I have written here in the bracket, this is called a constructor. It is called a constructor. Now we will write self dot name equals to underscore name. Okay. So self dot name will be the same as underscore name, and self dot age will be same as underscore age, right? Now we will write def enroll self. So here we want the student to be enroll. Okay, the student enroll function. Okay, now here we will put a if statement. What will be the expression in if? So it will means, so if the self dot age means the student's age is bigger or equals to 10, so we have to print, in that case we have to print the self dot name, means the student's name, and we and print enrolled. Okay, that the student has enrolled if its age is bigger or equals to 10. Okay, else. So in the other case, if the student's age is smaller than 10, so we have to print self.name, means we have to print the student's name as I told, and we have to print not enrolled, means the student has not enrolled in that event. Okay, now let's see how to create objects. So like S1 equals to student. So this is the first line. Okay, we write S1 equals to student, means student. S1 means student. Okay, and in the bracket we will write the name in strings. We'll write the name in strings. Here I told the name should be in strings, in single quotes or in double quotes, and the age should be in integer, as the 0 has kept in integer. Okay, so like I have a name as Radha. Nice name, right? Now I will write the age. So after single quotes or in double quotes, we will put a comma. Oops, sorry, not there. In the bracket, in the bracket we will put comma and then write the age. So like I'm writing a age as 6. Okay, then in the next line I will write S1 dot enroll. Okay, means tell us S1 enroll, and because so this is for the enroll one, students enroll thing. Okay, now let's save it. For saving it, click on file menu and click on save. Now open a folder in which you want to save and write a name for your file. Like I have a name as class and objects. Okay, now I will give a number like 8. Okay, now I will click on save. Now my file has been saved. So let's click on run. For running it, click on run menu and click on run module, or you can also press the F key on your keyboard. Oops, it is telling us an error. So now let's find out how to solve an error. So it is saying that the error is in line 7. So where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I've got it. In this line, I have accidentally, by mistakenly, instead of self, I've written Salah. So it is a typing error. Okay, now let's run and see. Okay, so it is saying Radha not enrolled, as we have written here that if the age is bigger or equals to 10, so it will enroll. But the Radha's age is smaller than 10, so it will not enroll. Okay, there is a good thing that we can put multiple objects here. Like I can put one more object, but I will write S2. So S2 also equals to a student. Okay, we have to write in the same way. So the name I'm writing as Sita. Name should be in strings, and after strings we have to put a comma, and then we will write the age. Like let's write 11. Okay. Now I will write S2 dot enroll. Okay, and then brackets. Now I will run it. As I told, you can click on run menu and click on run module, or you can press the F5 key on your keyboard. So it is saying Radha not enroll and Sita enroll. So here, see why it is saying us for the Radha and Sita both, because it is simple, right? We have written two objects, so it will tell us of the both objects, right? So as in the Sita one, the Sita is bigger than 10, the 11 is bigger than 10, so it is enroll. Okay, see, Radha not enroll, Sita enroll. So thank you friends for watching my video, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Bye and thank you.